There are two ways to make a parenting schedule in Custody Exchange: by customizing a template and by entering visits manually. I'm going to show you how to make one manually. If you want your schedule to recur yearly during a certain period, or if you already have a schedule on this calendar that starts before your new schedule, then watch our video on using a template instead. Click the link in the top right of this video or in the description. To start working manually, click Add Time or a blank spot in the calendar. That'll create a short visit. Adjust it with these boxes or by clicking and dragging in the calendar. For now, let's imagine this visit does not repeat. I have the option to give it a title in case it's happening for a unique reason. When I hit Save, I'll see the visit on the calendar and under the Changes tab. The app considers it a one-time change because it only occurs once. I can repeat what we just did to add more visits. But let's go back a moment and imagine I set my visit to repeat. Then the app automatically gives a time between the repeating visits to the other parent and gives the whole pattern a name, like Schedule 1. When I hit Save, I see the schedule here. To add or adjust visits, I follow the same process as before. This time, if I click in the calendar, I don't need to click a blank space because I want to edit my schedule now, not make a new one. When I add a visit, it replaces whoever had that time originally, as you can see. I can hit Options to adjust my schedule's name and start date. If I want to add another schedule for the future, I'll click New Schedule. To add holidays and for more help editing, see our other videos. If you have questions, visit custodyexchange.com/help or contact us in the app.